Hello people, welcome. This is our recipe for today. Chicken sauce, super fast, super easy, super quick. So I was tasting for something and I needed something to show, so I decided to make this quick recipe. As you can see, I didn't fry it, I didn't bake it in an oven or in a air fryer. You can do yours if you wish to do it like that. It is optional. So guys, come, let's dive in to the cook. As you can see, me enjoying what I cooked. My prepped chicken, onion, bay leaf, savio herb, rosemary, mixed spices, salt, pepper, curry, nutmeg, turmeric powder, onion powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, seasoning cubes, salt, parsley leaf, basil leaf. So I stirred and I covered. So yeah guys, I came to check on it because it was already cooking, and I added some vegetable oil, some onion, some bay leaves, some tomato paste. You can dry it, you can fry it depending on what you want to do. So yeah, I added just a slime of the ingredients that I used before. So I will just stir it properly and I'll cover it to steam on a very low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, here it is ready. I just added the onion to garnish it. Follow me on my Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest. Lady B Varieties is the name. All my new, my oldies, my subscribers, I really do appreciate. Thank you for always leaving me comment, like. I really do appreciate. If you are new, join us. If you want to see more amazing videos, feel free to check my channel out. For other videos you might find, I have health recipe, cooking video, family lifestyle, baking videos. Feel free to follow us on all our social platforms. Thank you guys. It is ready and I tasted it. Enjoy.